here we are, post mitigation in Lake Oswego, home that had flood from above. We've had a general contractor come in, make all of the drywall repairs and painting. This area, this wall was open. Hardwood floors were saved. No cupping due to the emergency response. Upstairs we just have the team doing the final carpet cleaning on the way out. This whole landing had the padding taken out. We relayed the carpet, saved the carpet. This drywall was open due to insulation in the wall cavity, which has been repaired. Same thing happened with the closet here. And that's that.